Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Instagram message request not showing. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open Instagram and just simply tap on messenger icon here and just simply tap on request. As you can see guys, it's not showing here request. So firstly guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go back and make sure that if this setting is turned on from here, just simply you have to go to settings and here you have to search for messages. Here it is guys, just simply have to tap on this, and as you can see guys, showing here other people. So just simply tap on others on Instagram. Just simply have to tap on this and make sure that if it's check on message request option. As you can see guys, it's showing here don't receive requests, so you have to check on message request option and then go back from here, and then you have to open Play Store and just simply you have to search for Instagram. Here it is guys, just simply make sure that if your Instagram app is updated. So you can see here guys, my Instagram app is not updated. So if you have an updated version and still it's not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to go back from here and just simply you have to open settings. Now from here just simply tap on apps. Now from here just simply tap on app setting and just simply search for Instagram. Here it is guys, just simply you have to tap on the now tap on storage and cache, then clear cache or clear storage from here, and after that guys just simply you have to force stop the app, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And the once is there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply you have to check if Instagram source is not down. Just simply you have to check for tone detector Instagram and just simply tap on this, and from here just simply you have to make sure that if Instagram source is not down. If Instagram source is down, then it means you have to wait some hours, and after that your problem automatically will be fixed. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.